Episode 3. Wait, you went off first because you made it go up when you just said that. Hey everyone, welcome to Proof It. Today we're looking at something that can make or break your creative projects, a killer creative brief. Now, you're probably shaking your fist saying, more paperwork? Just hang on a second. We'll show you why a great brief isn't just another forgotten document and acts as a blueprint that aligns your entire team and saves you from endless revision nightmares. Come on. Okay, maybe you have an idea what goes into a creative brief, maybe you don't. Either way, here's what we think should be essential parts of your brief. First, you need to nail down the deliverables objectives. Are you trying to boost brand awareness, drive sales, launch a new product, look good to the CEO? Just kidding about that last one. But your objectives set the stage for every decision you make on the project. Next, define your target audience in detail. We're talking demographics, interests, behaviors, so every creative element speaks directly to those people. You might even reference an ICP. Then, list out the deliverables, be it videos, social posts, digital ads, whatever, and set clear timelines. Don't forget to mention or link your brand guidelines if you have them. They keep every asset true to your brand's voice and vision. Now, the brief isn't just a static document sitting alone in a folder, never to be opened again. It's your project's beacon. It's what keeps your team on track when scope creep starts creeping in. You've probably seen it, you're mid-campaign when a client suddenly asks for a complete pivot that wasn't mentioned in the brief. Instead of scrambling, you simply refer back to your brief. If it isn't there, you know you need to stick to the original plan or renegotiate. No surprises, no chaos. Or an internal team tries to change horses midstream, you can point to the brief and firmly say, no, this is my horse, you get your own. Something like that. Let's talk tools. Standardized brief templates will make your life a lot easier. Using tools like Google Docs or Airtable, you can create a template that covers every important detail, from objectives and target audiences to deliverables and deadlines. You'll not only save time, but also ensure that everyone's on the same page from the start. And when you integrate that brief into your collaborative proofing workflow, like uploading it into Ziflow as the first proof, you create a single source of truth. Every comment, every change, every stakeholder's input is then tied directly back to that brief. Before we go, here's your Proof It tip of the day. Always keep your creative brief front and center. When it's pinned in your project management tool or uploaded as the first proof in Ziflow, make sure it's accessible to every team member. This way, every piece of feedback is measured against your initial goals and objectives, ensuring your final product stays on target. That's it for today's episode of Proof It. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the best creative work starts with a clear brief. If you're ready to set up your projects for success, check out Ziflow for seamless proofing and collaboration. Until next time, keep those briefs sharp and let your content flow with Ziflow.